Alright, tonight we cooking it with the trophies. Let me tell y'all, man. Let me turn these burners off, man. Show y'all what we got going on here. Look, we got crawfish, shrimp. I can't even touch that joint. Look, crawfish, shrimp, crab meat. That's what we got in there. Crawfish, shrimp, crab meat, onions. Not onions, but peppers, green peppers and red peppers. Right here, fresh broccoli, right?
My favorite.
Look, going over potatoes. So we're gonna call this the seafood stuffed potatoes. It's crawfish, crab meat, and shrimp with broccoli. And look at my infamous seafood gravy. Look, you see it. It ain't nothing but the truth. Look, can't forget the bread, baby. We got real Texas toast. You understand me? Look, y'all gonna see the plates in a minute. I'm about to bring it to you live and direct. Cooking with the trophies. You know what time it is, baby. I see you and him looking at the food. Yeah, check it out. That's fresh broccoli just falling on there. Man, tender broccoli over top of them soft potatoes. Good God. Then I'm coming right now with the lump crab meat, the claw crab meat, the shrimp, and the crawfish meat with the red peppers and the green peppers. Oh my goodness. Check this out. All meat, no filling. Check how we coming. God. Boy, it's looking heavy. Real heavy. So heavy. Man. Can't get enough of that right there. That's good God. Check. Oh my goodness. Look at that. All right, now let's get into my special sauce. Y'all done seen the epic seafood over top of it, but check that sauce out, man. Look at it, man. Nobody gonna bring you that nice sauce just like that over top of that seafood. My special seafood sauce is something like your favorite seafood boil. Yeah, I know you thinking I'm running out of sauce.
Get it wet for me, Trophy. Get it wet for me.
And you know I'm gonna make it wet, baby. You know I'm gonna make it wet. Just wait. I know you thinking it ain't enough sauce. It ain't enough sauce.
Get it wet for me, Trophy. Get it wet for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it wet, baby. Check this out. More sauce. Ooh wee.